see if it's working at this angle, because I have no way of knowing if it stops or starts. Is it blinking? Okay. That would be a scat or some sort of
something digging up the stores, like what, squirrels digging up their winter stores?
possum.
Okay.
He said wisely. Dipping into his vast knowledge of wilderness critters and shit.
Definitely a snowshoe.
Yep, it's where are we? We're on Sanders Mountain in Rome, Maine, not Italy. And it was 51 degrees when we set off, and closing in on 5 p.m. because that's how we roll. It's the spring forward day, so we got cheated out of an hour, but that don't befriend us any. She opted for snowshoes, and it was a good call. Pretty sloppy trails. Wish we had some cooking spray to spray our claws. We've done this mountain a couple times, but never in this much snow. What is it, boy?
Somebody either has a really little dog or a raccoon.
Somebody walking a raccoon? I think it's a dog.
No, this right here. Look at this one right here.
I'll have to taste it to know what it is. Yeah, I don't know.
That looks like raccoon to me.
You heard it here first, folks. Well, this is going to suck if my angle isn't right and I'm just shooting at the ground, but if I hold my head up like this, what's it do? Will it aiming right at you?
Yeah, over my head, I think.
Like that.
That's about perfect.
Alright, I'm going to stop it here. That's strange. The snow is melting in the hot weather, and all kinds of this stuff is on the ground. I could give you the scientific name for this stuff, but I don't want to overburden my many fans. It's nice and rocky in here, though. A lot of big old pines. We're just starting to get an up, but not enough to use the elevators yet. Wait, ascenders? Televators? I'm going to come up with a cooler name for them before I'm done. Probably be famous for it, too. Like that Scooby Cat. What?
Uppy up.
Uppy ups?
Big uppy up.
Upchucks? I like the upchucks.
This is my first time actually seeing this trail in the daylight.
That's right.
Because it's always been dark for me.
Yep. Alright. You've seen enough.
I mean, this end of it.
I'll be back when we see flowing water.
Dad, you know, come on this way.
Cowards.
That's the winter bushwhack.
A little bit of a climb, but I think I started recording too late.
It's recording now. That must be the winter bushwhack.
Yeah. Saves you 9 feet. Yeah, it was probably a half mile straight up. No, it wasn't. I kid you. But I do have my ascenders on that we're now calling upchucks.
Fresh woodpecker shaving.
Yep. Look at them woodpecker holes. That guy must have the biggest pecker. The sharpest pecker, at least. What did I forget to mention? Trying out my new northeastern, what am I, damn, hiking? Eastern Mountain Sports pants for the first time. So far they're doing what they're supposed to, being pants. And there was one more thing, damn it. I forget.
What is this?
What has happened here? Frickin' Wendigo. Wendigo? Wendigo? Oh, yeah. We should see water soon, and then I will join you again.
We have a ways to go, actually.
Really? We're probably gonna die. A little bit.
Because it looked like it was a flat approach last time we were here.
Snowmobile trail we gotta cross. Beautiful. Feels like dusk is upon us, but I don't think it is. White birch? Oh yeah. Yep. Alright, cut. Spring meets winter, or winter meets spring. Winter gives way to spring. I think it's too early to say that, but I think it sounds profound anyway. A lot more exposed earth up here than we expected. Now that we're nearing the summit of Sanders, way up there in the clouds. We think that's Round Top, which we climb all the time. I love it. But now we're getting closing in on the peak here. It's been a long, mostly flat hike. And closer to the summit, you're seeing less snow, which is an oddity. Yeah, so we're going to be climbing rocks on our spikes a little bit. Yeah, I don't like the looks of that. I know. Trying to stay on this snow. Just about to file down my...
Yeah, I was able to stay mostly on the ice.
We could have died just now. One of us could have died. I will check in with you once more when we reach the forbidden summit of Sanders Mountain. If we make it. If we make it. Up here on the way to the summit of Sanders, you can still see the frozen corpses of all those who have tried and failed. It was either Sanders or Everest, I forget which one. Pretty much the same thing now.
Sanders, it's more likely to be the ones who had the blood drained out of them from the mosquitoes.
Yeah, well, there's no mosquitoes today, bruh. This is the, yeah, it's a pretty easy climb when you go in the clockwise direction. We're wondering if we're actually going to get off the mountain before dark, which is not what we want. We want a night hike.
Remind me to pull my headlamp back before we start.
Ditto, bruh. I think we're coming in the peak. Gonna stop and have some cavete. Maybe a little food for the always perilous descent. Okay, bye.
It looks different than I remember. That's the end of the peak.
Is it Lincoln?
Yep.
She's drinking my coffee. It's good, isn't it?
I gotta warm up. He won't let me wear a coat.
That's right.
He says, you better toughen up.
That's right.
So I
That's
was
exactly
really
what
about to just change on camera. You didn't tell me you were recording. Turn that way. I gotta change my shirt.
Base camp. Doesn't really look like a summit.
No. Stay where you are.
And yet we're 9,000 feet up.
Okay, face that way.
Oh.
You dummy.
All right. I just wanted to show off my coffee.
You want to show off your white.
Mm-hmm. Boobs will definitely get me some more views. All right, cut. There's some tricky spots, so I opted to go with spikes instead of snowshoes, and I'm already regretting it because we got pretty thick, unstable snow, and I'm just slip sliding everywhere. The smarter one kept their snowshoes on.
It's pretty slippery with the snowshoes making a slide out of my foot.
Yeah, we'll see which one of us bites it.
I think technically we should have just gone down the back.
We technically should have just gone on the back way.
I hate doing these things on snowshoes. See, this is where I wish I didn't have snowshoes.
Yeah, I don't know. Hard saying. We got I think that's Long Pond probably.
That's like a stream.
Oh, maybe it's a stream. I don't know. So it's going to be dark soon. So
I don't like this part.
now I look smart. Okay.
Oh, big giant 50 on this kind of shit.
And there was none of that on the other side. Well, if she ends up in a bloody heap, I'll turn my camera back on.
Okay.
So seconds after I shut the camera off, she went down. A well-managed fall. She managed to not land on a rock. But now we got more of this shit, which I think is going to be easier in spikes. So
Probably. I agree.
pretty...
Am I nuts? Should I not go that way?
I don't know, man.
It's just packing down and being slippery. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, this is... It's weird. I mean, a week ago there would have been enough snow here to dance right down it.
Yeah, I wish I'd put spikes on for 5 minutes.
Yep.
And then switch back again.
Yeah, it's not too late.
It's that time of year. It's the back forth. This one's harder because over there, even when I fell, I could avoid the rock.
Yeah.
This one's pretty.
Yeah, this one's, I mean, I don't know. You ain't going down this one with confidence.
I ain't going down any of them with confidence.
Yeah, literally, a week ago, this probably would have been snow jammed. Ain't no freaking picnic on spikes either, really. Oh yeah.
Like, this is hard though. Where do I put my foot?
Yeah, I think you made it through the hardest part. Just don't get caught on that root. Yep. All right. We got no casualties yet.
Yeah, but it's the tail.
Yeah, it's an odd mix. I return to the deep. All right, just for closure, we're now coming off Sanders Mountain Trail, whatever the frick it's called. What am I talking about? We chose the steeper down, and it was a bit of an end slog. This is what I look like now. See? I'm roughed up. I'm in rough shape, bro. So if my calculations are correct, we should be back at the parking lot. After I've studied the atlas using a slide rule and all that maritime stuff. Yep, there we are. We made it. We're gonna live. Okay. See you on the north side.